How you guys doing? Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the carburetor on your John Deere LT 135, 130, 120, 100, all that. Basically any John Deere with a V-twin. So this John Deere runs then dies when the choke is turned off. Why this could be happening: dirty carburetor, dirty manifold, broken gaskets, or broken carburetor. We are going to replace this carburetor today, and the first step you're going to have to do is take off your air filter cover. There are 4 bolts minus 3 because my other one stripped and broke. Air filter comes off. We're going to have to take off our engine cover, our flywheel cover. The engine cover bolts are 10mm hex head. Now that the engine cover bolts are loose, this is moving, we're going to take these off. These are 8mm hex head bolt. Now that that's off, this should just lift and come off. Now that it's all off, it reveals everything that needs to get taken off. And the next things that have to come off are these T30 intake manifold bolts. There you go. And get the clamp out of the way. Just like that. Now that we have all this carb off, we are now going to go move the carburetor up slightly and get a 5.5mm and take off this bracket. Just like that. The bracket fell down right here. Yeah, and then there is a little hook here. You're gonna want to turn it, the whole carburetor assembly like this, grab the line and pull up. And it comes off like that. Now we have the whole unit. And now we need a 11mm socket to take off these. And this pulls off. Now the studs have to come off. These studs are 4mm, a 4mm socket. Get it on a 1/4-inch ratchet, just like that. There you go. Old carburetor is off. With the old carburetor, you're going to take off the fuel line because you're going to reuse this. But there is a gasket here. There's 2 layers with this gasket. There's a rubber, metal, then rubber again. We're going to put it in just like this. So this is the old gasket. Yeah. But I wanted to show you guys how this thing comes off and how it works. So we're gonna, at this gasket, it goes in this way with these flanges right here. I know you guys can see this little flanges there, pointed towards this way. You want it pointing, whenever you're looking at it, you want to point it this way. And this is the wrong side of the carburetor. See how it has dabbles here, like little divots? That's pointing out. So you want it facing this way. You want the carburetor facing with the fuel spout facing towards you. Install it like this. That's how you want it. So the last video didn't save. I installed this carburetor. You're going to want to put these 4 studs in about, you want to go to snug and then do another 90 degrees to the right on all 4. No thread locker, no nothing. This gasket has to go on before anything else, or before that cup goes on. So you get the gasket, this, and you place it on, get the cup, we put that like that. Now that you're hand tight, you're going to want to go like this. You want to get your ratchet like this and just turn it to there. Now that that's installed, you still need to put the bracket on that we took off. That goes right here. And like this. This arm comes off the original carburetor. The rod has to get put in like this. If it does want to fight you, put your choke on. That's the best thing I can give you. The throttle lever goes on very stupidly, and take it off the governor arm. Get the arm on the carburetor. Install it the proper way. because that is the hardest part. Now go to the governor arm. This is extremely hard to show on film. Let's see if it starts up.
If it's idling like this, when it's all the way down and it's not changing, give yourself a flathead screwdriver. Back turn it. About there. And now you see it's idling relatively quiet whenever you want to go full. That's basically all that there is to changing a carburetor on these little 135s. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.